Welcome back friends. In the previous videos we have discussed about system call. Okay. In system calls we have discussed about lots of system calls and one of them is fork, and fork is one of the important system call. So in today's video we are going to discuss about what is fork and what is its important. So basically, let's suppose you create any function. I create a function, okay, main function, and write here print a, B, C, D. Okay, I have to print A, B, C, D. Okay, now if I execute this function, then what will happen? A print statement will print A, B, C, D. Okay, now fork means creating a clone function that is called child, creating a clone function which is called a child function. Okay, fork means creating a child process that is likewise a clone of the parent process. So if there is a process, okay, named p1, okay, if you create fork, so it will create a child process, you can say it's c1, and p1 is already there, so there it become a two process which both are running simultaneously. Okay, so let's suppose by this example, if this is a parent process, okay, if in parent process I write fork, so what will happen? This process, parent process, first see fork, so it create one child process of it. Okay, and parent is already present, so what will happen? Instead of printing abcd one time, it will print two times, because one process of parent will print the abcd and one child process which is create with the help of fork, which also runs simultaneously with parents. And fork process which is created, which is called child process, also has its own id just like its parents. So so if, let's suppose, instead of writing one time fork, you write fork two time. Okay, what will happen? You write fork, okay, fork, and print abcd. Okay, so what will happen? Let's suppose this is a parent process, it create one child c1 and parent is always present with the help of first fork. Now if second fork is come, so it will create parents again child c2 and parent 3, but this child also create its children, because second fork is present under the fork of first one, it is just like a nested thing, so it also creates c3 and c4. So total time when two fork are written is 4. So there is a one formula which is said that the total time total process execute is equal to 2 to the power n. How many times the fork is written? Number of time fork written. Okay, so there is a 2 time fork, 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. One time it's 2. So if there is a 3 time, it will create 8 process. So let us see. Parent fork creates c1, and this is parent. This create in second form c2, c3, it creates c4, and it create parent. Now in the last form it create c5, c6, c7, c8, c9, c10, it creates c11, and its parents is already given. So total there are 8 process will get created. So total number of process is equal to 2 to the power n. But if the question asks is total number of child process created, okay, then it become 2 to the power n minus 1, because one of them is a parent process, So in today's video we have discussed about what is fork. Fork is basically creating a child process which is likewise a clone of the parent process, when parents create a child process which runs simultaneously along with parents process, that is called fork. And fork creates a child process, and total child process created during the fork is 2 to the power n. How many times the fork is executed, and total child process is 2 to the power n minus 1. So I hope with this video I clear all your doubt of a for. Remember, when child process created, it's also have its own ID, just like its parents. So we will meet in the next video about another topic of operating system. Till then, goodbye.